everybody? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Key here, and I'm back with another video for you guys. So today we're doing a cute little Halloween look. Yo, after seeing this spiderweb look that I want to do, I was like, oh, okay, I'm gonna try it. So it looked real easy. So I was like, this might be a cute one to start off the Halloween month with, or October with. So, yo, like, I'm not an artist. I don't draw. So the little spiders that came out how they wanted to come out. And yeah, I mean, at the end it came out pretty good. I just feel like I can do a lot better. So you see me here going in with a little cute little pink eyeshadow. It's like a little blush color. I used that from Take Me Back to Brazil. And of course y'all see me talking. I was on the phone with somebody. That's why I'm doing a voiceover. It was a lot going on in the background. So yeah, this cute little blush color, and then I went in from the Take Me Back to Brazil, and I went to the Color for Days palette by Beats by Deb, and that gave my eyes a little pop of orange, the right color that I needed, because that Take Me Back to Brazil, it did not have the right color oranges. Like, it was not giving me what it's supposed to give. So I went in here and tried to blend it out just a little bit, so there wouldn't be any harsh lines. Then you see me trying to figure out how I'm going to draw this on, because I had no clue. The first time I did this with a liquid liner, it did not come out right. Like, it came out cute, but then the other side came out real thick. So I was like, I'll just draw it with a pencil. And of course, the eyebrow pencil came out just a little bit better. Of course, it's always, for me, one side always comes out better than the other. And yeah, like, it came out pretty cute. I think I like it. Like, and then y'all, here come the foundation. So the foundation goes on, boom, just fine and perfect. And then I didn't know if I was going to do the foundation first and then draw, or if I wanted to do the drawing then the foundation. So what I did is I just did the drawing first, and then I did put in my foundation. And luckily, I'm surprised that this foundation matched me, because sometimes these foundations, my skin tone, like, I don't know which ones to pick, so I just picked one. And then we have the concealer. The concealer, I feel like the concealer was too light. Like, I don't know. I just felt like it made my skin look pale. So, alright guys, now you see me blending out my concealer. I don't know if that's what made my face look real pale, or if it was this Flower by Beauty Bakery setting powder. One of the two. It just made my face look really pale. I don't know if I put too much or if I didn't use it right, but it definitely was not giving what it's supposed to give off camera. Like, my whole face looked really pale. So I went ahead and went over the little spider webs with a liquid liner, and of course, this is how everything came out. I put the rhinestones glitter on off camera, and I don't like the way the spiders came out because the webs came out too thick, but everything's a learning lesson, teaching lesson, and we're going to do it again later on in the month. I'm using Beauty Bakery eyelashes here, and they came out just like this, and I like them. They really came out cute. And I'm going back into the Color for Days by Beats by Deb to do my lips with a little bit of orange. And you'll see me use the holographic LA Colors Gold, which I love because it puts a pop of gold in everything. I love it. It just makes your lips stand out even more. I think I had a little bit too much orange for my lips, but I think it came out good. Alright, and then I'm going to be using the Lemon Bar by Beauty Bakery. And this was where I messed up, because it wasn't as gold as I needed to be. So it came out like a silvery-ish color and not a goldish color like I need, like my lips. But I think it still came out okay. But like I said, I'm going to be redoing this look later on in the month. But yeah, guys, this is how my look came out. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I know it's something a little quick and something easy. Let me know what you guys thought about it in the comments down below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.